Welcome to the universe, Buzz. What would happen if there were two moons? Imagine looking up at the night sky and instead of one glowing moon, you see two. What would that look like? And how would it change life on Earth? Well, you're about to find out as we explore the fascinating possibilities of having two moons in our sky. How two moons could exist. First off, how could Earth end up with two moons? Well, one possible scenario is if a large asteroid or celestial body collided with Earth long ago, breaking off another chunk of material that became a second moon. Another idea is that a smaller moon could be captured by Earth's gravitational pull, joining our current moon in orbit. Scientists have found evidence that Earth might have actually had two moons millions of years ago. The smaller one likely crashed into the larger one, merging into the moon we see today. But what if that second moon had stuck around? Tides and ocean impact. One of the biggest changes we'd notice immediately is in the tides. Our current moon plays a huge role in controlling the tides on Earth, pulling the oceans toward it as it orbits. With two moons, tidal forces would be much stronger and more complex. Imagine the effects: larger waves, more powerful tidal surges, and even higher risks of flooding in coastal areas. Some areas could have super high tides, while others might experience extreme low tides. Shipping, fishing, and coastal life would all be impacted in a big way. Cities near oceans would need stronger flood defenses, and beaches could look dramatically different from how we know them today, day and night. But it's not just the tides that would change. The appearance of our sky would be completely different. Depending on their positions, you might see both moons during the day and at night. This could make nights a lot brighter. Our current moon reflects sunlight onto Earth, but with two moons, the night sky could be almost as bright as twilight, making it difficult to see stars. Stargazers would definitely be disappointed. Changes to Earth's orbit and seasons. Now let's get into some of the bigger changes. Two moons could also have an effect on Earth's orbit and its tilt, which controls the seasons. Our moon helps stabilize Earth's rotation, so with two moons pulling in different directions, it's possible Earth's tilt could change over time. If the tilt changes, we could experience extreme weather, with hotter summers and colder winters, or even more unpredictable climate patterns. That could lead to challenges in agriculture, wildlife migration, and how we prepare for seasonal changes. Long-term evolution and wildlife impact. Wildlife, especially animals that rely on the moon's cycles, would also have to adapt. Many species use the moon to navigate or to time their reproductive cycles. With two moons and their different cycles, we could also see evolutionary changes over time. Animals might adapt to the brighter nights by developing new behaviors, or perhaps even changes in eyesight to deal with the extra light. How would humans adapt? Humans, too, would have to adapt. The effects on agriculture, construction, and even our sleep cycles would be profound. Imagine how longer, brighter nights could change our work habits, social activities, or even how we think about time itself. Having two moons would make our world a very different place, from bigger tides to brighter nights and even changes in how life on Earth evolves. While this is just a fascinating what-if, it's amazing to think about how something as simple as an extra moon could impact so much. So, the next time you look up at the moon, just imagine, what if there were two? Let us know in the comments how you think life would be different with two moons, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun science videos.